Welcome back to the channel, folks. Good morning, man. Hey, listen, back out here at the pond. I think this is where I was at the last video. Decided to come out here early morning, see if I can figure something out here. Caught those 3 little fish last time, but I'm sure there's some bigger fish out here, so we're gonna find out. It's supposed to be a tournament today, but I decided not to go. The long distance driving has caught up to me, man, and I'm just tired, man. Didn't want to go out there. Plus, I've been out to that lake about 4 times. 4 times. Lake Hodges is what I'm talking about. Been out there 4 times, and I caught 1 fish. And I'm like, yo, I can't keep doing this. So I was like, I'm not driving 3 hours again. Well, 6 total, right? To go out there and catch 1 fish, maybe. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna chill today, come out to the pond, and hang out here for a little while. So, like I said, it's early. It's almost 6. So I'm gonna sit out here and see if I can catch some frogfish, man, and enjoy my morning. Y'all stick around. We'll see how I do. All right, come on, Nick. Anvil, boy. That's a good fish, not on the frog. Oh, wow. Okay, little guy. Look at that. Oh, he took that down in there. Let's go ahead and perform some surgery. Okay, first fish of the day. Well, not on the frog, but I was just flipping a little creature bait in there, man. Not a bad way to get the morning started. He's about 14, maybe. Get the guy out of here, man. He just sunk down. Well, okay. That was cool. There are fish in here. We now know that. I mean, we knew that, but you know, that's a decent sized fish, man. Say a little 14-incher or so. Let's get back after them. I still want to catch a frogfish, but I might throw this creature around a little more. Maybe they don't want the frog right now. I mean, it's only been 10 minutes, but still. I quit on the frog pretty early. Actually, what happened was I saw that the reeds over there moving, man. So I threw the frog over a couple times. Then I said, you know what? Let me get in here. Let me get intimate with him. So threw a little creature bait in there, man. Man, that's actually the first fish that I caught with a Texas rig out here, man. And it felt good, though. Oh, I had one. I had one, y'all. He just took my claws off. Let's see if I got any more of these. Hopefully I do. I think I do. I do. Reaction innovations. Sweet beaver. This might be a good morning, man. A nice little chill morning. Catch a couple fish. Go back home. Not a 3-hour drive back home. Just 15 minutes. That's what I like. As much as I like fishing these California waters, man, I just hate the drive I gotta make nowadays, man. 3 hours, 2 hours. Like I said earlier, man, it catches up to you, man. So I will take advantage of this spot when I can, because Lord knows I hate making that drive. All right, there's another bump. He is on me. I know I wasn't going crazy. Man. I know this wasn't what that was. Maybe this was what that was. This guy. Okay. Hey, buddy. You came to play. Appreciate it. Little dude. Alright, man, get out of here. Little turd, man. Oh, they so tiny. Hey. Let me get you by the mouth. Tiny guy, man. Thanks, buddy. They getting smaller, y'all. We don't want that. We need to get bigger. We going the wrong way. There we go, little guy. There we go. Had to pull the net rig out, man. Another little 13-inch guy. All right, buddy. So, downside to the net rig came through for me. Let's see if we can catch a couple more with this little guy, man. Oh, that was a little better fish. hey. Well, he got all that. Nice little guy. Easy, killer. Easy, killer. Easy. That Rick. Another little guy. Hey, this is fun. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't care how little these fish are. I'm enjoying myself right now, man. Just enjoying a day. No stress, no tournament stress. We just fishing, man. That's all. That's all to it, man. Enjoying my day. Even though, I mean, I would like some bigger fish, but hey, I'll take these little dudes. Definitely a fun little bite. Oh man, why are you fighting so hard, my guy? You're not even that big. Bigger than the other ones. Man, I lost my Ned rig. Broke it off. I ain't like tying it back on, so I threw that crawl back out there. This dude was fighting really tough, man. And I ain't like that, because he ain't that big. All right, my man. Go back into the world. Whatever. I'm gonna turn around and hit that spot again. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's a better fish. They just fight really hard. Nah, that actually is a better fish. Oh, that's the biggest one so far, man. Oh man, he took this down though. Fast. Yep, he got that in there real fast. Yeah, that's the biggest one. Definitely the biggest one so far. I got that hook in there pretty solid, man. He almost took it all the way down. Let me get this guy back in here, man. Alright, man. Love you too, guy. Alright, man. Well, it's shaping up to be not a bad day. Oh. Oh, that's a healthy one. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. All right. And it's a solid fish. He's fat. Fat, healthy, man. All right, let's get him back in there. All right, we on it. We on it. Catching some fish. Feels good to catch fish. Lots of them. That's a little guy. Man, y'all know what just happened to me? Broke my doggone reel. Not on that fish, but another little dude. But my reel broke, man. My clutch. It's called a clutch, right? I don't know what it's called, but look, it's gone. It fell off. It broke off. It's a little piece here, man. Dang, man. That sucks. Well, I guess I can. I don't know if can I buy that? Can I buy that piece by itself? Somebody let me know. Can I just order this piece? I love this reel. But I'll just buy a new one if I can. I mean, to buy this little piece. Yeah, it's broke. Anyway, let me fish some more, man. Golly, I hate that. I guess I can still. Can I? Yeah, we'll go with that. Whatever, man. Golly, man. This dude was playing with me, then took my pincher. Little tiny dude, man. I thought you was big up in there, bro. Just about here. They still biting. Sun's all the way up now, man. They still in there. Come on, guy. There we go. There's another solid fish. They all about the same. I mean, these are the biggest ones I'm getting. But they're good fish. All right, man. Peace. Okay, maybe a few more minutes. I never leave when I say I'm gonna leave. Y'all should know that by now. Man, he's running towards me. Easy, killer. Easy, killer. Yay, buddy. You bit that as soon as it hit the water. Another little dingster. they still fun. This little dude. Well, this is how we're gonna end the day with this. My goodness. Oh my goodness. We gonna end it there. Time to go. Fun time it was, man. Nice little pond. I like it. It's 15 minutes from my house, so I'm definitely coming back here. So, I mean, the fish weren't too big, you know what I mean? But I caught plenty of fish, enough to make me happy. So that's what really matters right now. Like I said, just some fun fishing, taking a break from a tournament. I enjoyed myself, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video will be, I don't know what I'm doing next. I think I have a tournament next. So that'll probably be the next video that I upload will be Lake Paris again with ABA. So I'll be there for that one, and that will be the next video if I don't get out here again just because during the week or something like that. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. We are glad to have you, man, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.